Hey guys, today I'm out here with Dash and one of our friends, Alex, over there. We're just fishing at the pond today. See how many fish we can catch. Keep watching. What's that? Oh, I got one. Got him.
69, fucker right in the kitchen. That's tiny in this thing.
Yeah, it's not that big. That's a dink.
Wait, Christian, did you
Still a
switch
fish.
my Senko?
What?
Did you switch my Senko?
Yeah.
Yo, do you guys want to use my Senko?
No, your Senko fell off. This is a small. This is a
Dash
dink.
Wait, it doesn't have audio, does it?
Yes, it does.
Okay, but you're going to delete it, right?
Yeah.
You just take out the audio, right?
No, not the audio.
What?
Here. Look at that fish.
You take
Dinky.
off the audio, don't you?
No.
You better not put it.
Oh, I got one. Oh, shoot. It was a dink, I think, anyways.
You know that song?
No. Dude, they're biting now. I better catch this
They
fish.
had my heart enough. You
Dude.
have to be retarded not to catch a fish on Gary Yamamoto's Senko.
This isn't Gary Yamamoto.
I know.
What is true? Oh,
Yeah.
I got one. I got one, dude. Got him. Dink again. All right. It's that Senko, dude. All right. Third fish for me. Nobody else has caught anything. Oh, Alex caught one earlier, I think. But we didn't get it on video.
Alex, why are you just sitting down?
What's that one bitch's name?
All right, another dink. I don't know how he even swallowed that Senko. How's that even possible? Look at his mouth.
What the fuck? Chad just sent you this picture.
Oh, I got one. Oh, it's a decent one. Oh, shoot, it's a nice fish, dude. Dude, that's a freaking monster. Dude, that's a freaking monster.
Dude, let me get the scale. Dude, bring that shit in.
Dude, it's a nice fish.
Actually, I don't know.
Yeah, that is a pretty nice
You
fish.
can just bring it on land like that, Christian. It's a freaking.
That's a 2-pounder.
Javi,
No,
what
not
the
a
fuck
2-pounder.
are you doing?
That's a half-pounder.
Why are you hanging him?
Or
like
not
that?
half-pounder.
This is like.
I'll get the
We're
hook
gonna
out.
wait. We're gonna wait.
We're
You're
going.
gonna take off this.
All right,
audio.
what are your guesses? What are your guesses?
I'm gonna say 1.69.
I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna wait. Let me hold him in the flesh.
Wait,
Let me hold him.
I haven't
hold him.
held him yet. Wait.
Let me hold. Look at that fish,
All right,
guys.
give me
Look
it.
at
Give me
that.
it.
Hold it over.
Let
the
me
water,
hold it.
Christian,
Let me
just in
hold
case
it.
he
Let me
shakes.
hold it.
Yeah.
Let me hold it. I gotta tell you the accurate.
I think that's about
the accurate
1.4.
1.69.
That's 1.4.
No, it's
1.4.
1.65.
1.42.
Yeah, it's definitely. I think 1.4.
1.45.
Ooh, that was close.
Yee.
Did you actually guess that?
Yeah.
No.
You
Yes.
said 1.65.
Oh, 1.6.
1.6.
Oh, so yeah, Dash and I
Here,
were
take
about
this.
right. All right, guys, let's get a release on
Are
that
you gonna put it
fish.
underwater?
Look at that. Nah, here, freaking.
Put
That's a
one on.
pig, dude. It's a pig.
Ooh, that'd be dope.
He's
You ever
gonna
buy
go.
that GoPro
Oh, there's so
Bobby
much
Burns?
dunk. No, freaking RJ bought it.
Wow. What a cunt.
All right, go on then, bud.
Wait, how much was it going for, Christian?
No, remember they were like bidding and shit.
There he goes.
So many people saw that.
Javi, oh god.
That's so bad. So many people saw that.
Dude, there's a fish over there and it's big.
How long was that up? 2 minutes?
Dude, there's a big fish over there. Fuck. Crap. Oh, I think I got him. I think I have something. I think I've got.
Hey Christian, Alex is gonna throw yourself in the pond.
Oh shoot, I got one. Small one. Another dink. Jeez, mostly dinks today, guys.
Javi, I'm just gonna cut up the perfectly fucking lip thing.
No, stop. Come on, it was funny.
Sushimi!
Another fish.